Have you ever wondered how much impact the right doors can have on your home style? I'm Erin from Birds Renovations, and today I'm going to show you how we took this stunning Californian bungalow to the next level with some beautiful Corinthian doors. Our vision for this home was Cali Cool, a beautiful mix of coastal, boho, Scandi and mid-century styles. The Cali Cool look is relaxed, modern and effortlessly elegant, perfect for a family home. Externally, we've kept the charm of the Californian bungalow by accentuating the traditional elements like the covered porch. We chose the blonde oak entrance door from Corinthian to complement the style of the home, and it makes the perfect entrance. The blonde oak can be stained or painted. For this door, we've chosen to paint it in Tuft by Dulux to complement the home's colour palette. Inside, we've gone with Corinthian's motor primed collection for all of the interior doors. These doors come ready to paint, so we decided to paint them and the trim in Scallywag Half by Dulux. The crossbars on these doors add architectural interest and character. The clean lines are the perfect match for our engineered timber floors and exposed brick, keeping that balance between traditional and contemporary. And with their primed finish, you've got total freedom to customise them to suit your home's colour palette. Doors are such a key design element that often get overlooked in new builds and renovations. The right doors can transform your home style and be the finishing touch to bring your vision to life. So head to corinthian.com.au to explore their full range.